Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go ahead and talk about beauty gift guides. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, first and foremost, as always, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed and these videos are of interest to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I will tell you my energy level is going to be a little low. I dislocated or locked up, really not sure exactly what happened. All I know is on Friday my knee or the joint locked and we had to kind of put me out. The ER guys did, and yank it back into place. So I have a brace on it, and right now I am I have it elevated and it's kind of killing me, but I gotta get this video done. I will tell you that normally on Fridays I do Fashion Fridays. That's not going to be happening. I do meet with the ortho doctor surgeon tomorrow, so hopefully I'll have some more news for you. So let me I have random sort of beauty products. This is different than skincare. So let's go ahead and start. My favorite, or one of my favorite, I have two favorites. One of my favorite is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is a great deal. This is how big the setting spray is, and it comes with two of them. It's $39, and normally for a 4 ounce, it's $39. So you're getting basically two for the price of one. And it is awesome. It is definitely one of my favorite setting sprays. So this is awesome. This is my gift. I've already opened that up and have been using the one. Let's talk beauty blenders, because there's a lot of great deals out there. And right now everything is on sale with regards to beauty blenders. So I got a bunch of different gifts for my kids. These ones are really cute because you don't know what color you're gonna get. You could get or Joy or Chili, so they have, or a rare one. So they have all these different colors and you just pop them open, and so these are great stocking stuffers. And normally, of course, beauty blenders are $20. These are on sale, I think $17, but again, I'll list everything in the description box. This is another great stocking stuffer. This is a cute little kit for that. And then here's another adorable kit that I'm giving one of my daughters. It comes with two beauty blenders and then the cleaning solution. So this is really cute as well. So they have a lot of different beauty blender gifts, and I will list them all in the description box. All right, let's talk about a couple products from Tarte. I love, you guys know this, one of my favorite lippies that they do is the lip sculptor. So it has lipstick on one end and lip gloss on the other, and how adorable is this cute kit. It has little flamingos and pineapples, little Christmas lights, and little palm trees. So each one is different. And in this one, it comes with a door, sangria, treat, and jam. The only one that I have is jam. That is what I'm wearing right now. Let me zoom you in so you can see what it looks like. It's a really pretty nude. The other colors look beautiful as well. So we can go ahead and swatch them so you guys have an idea. So this one is Adore. How cute is this? It has little Christmas lights. And I love this because, again, there's a lipstick on one end and a lip gloss on the other. So let me just swatch this. So there's Adore. And then the matching lip gloss, I'll put right next to it. It's just a nice sheer clear lip gloss. So this is a really pretty color. So that's Adore. Okay, we have Jam, which is the one that I have on. I'm not going to even use that one. I'm going to use the one that I have. Okay, which is the exact same thing. So this is Jam. It just has palm trees, but I can give it if it's a gift that way. So it's another nice neutral. And then we'll put the lip gloss. So you could wear these together or alone. And they're not sticky or tacky or any of that stuff. And then this is so cute. The little flamingos have little Christmas hats. It's so cute. Look how cute this is. This would be cute as a gift for one person, or you could break it out and put it stocking stuffers. This is Sangria. And let's do this here. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Look at that, Sangria. And then the lip gloss to match. So this is a little bit darker. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That's Sangria. These are all really nice colors. And then the last one is Treat, which has the cute little pineapples. And let me show you here. That is Treat right here. And then, the lip gloss is right here. So these are beautiful, and I love these. I have several. So this would make a great gift. Item from Tarte is, look how adorable these are. And they kind of match. They have little flamingos and little pineapples. And this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay. I love these blushes. And it comes in the color Bikini Bottom, Do Not Disturb, Parasol, and Sunny Side. So let me just show you what those look like. And they're so cute. So this one is Do Not Disturb, and that is what the color looks like there. I'm not going to swatch these because I do want to give this as a gift. It is Bikini Bottom, which is really pretty. And then, and again, you could get the lip gloss and the blush and mix and match. It'd be really cute. And then this one is really pretty. This is Sunny Side. It's a more natural color. And then last, this one is Parasol. This is kind of a peachy color. Very pretty. So kind of you hit kind of the gamut with these blushes. And I really like the Amazonian Clay blushes from Tarte. Uh-oh, there goes that one. We'll get that later because there's no bending down for me. Not with this name. I got a really cute package from Bare Minerals. This is the Ethereal Nude collection. So it's kind of really cool. They have, to put my shaders on. They have 2 mini nude lip glosses. They have 2 patent lip lacquers. And then they have 2 matte lips. So let's open this up. And look how pretty this is. So this looks gorgeous, and they all are nudes. All right, so why don't we just, instead of swatching them, why don't we try them on? I'm gonna keep this one. I like nudes. Take this off. All right, so these are the buttercream lip glosses. We have Tantalize and Must Have. So let's try Tantalize. So these are lip glosses. I'll try eating them. This is really nice. This is a very natural color. Like you could just throw this on and be done. There we go. It's very natural. I like that. Okay, so then the next one. Go. This is pretty too. Yeah, this is a really pretty color too. Again, these are lip glosses, so they're really, they don't do that, you know, thing where you're, you know, sticky or goopy or anything like that. No, it's a nice natural color. All right, so the next is a lip lacquer, and we have it in Hype and Bestie. So let's do Bestie first just because it's a little bit lighter. So it's supposed to have a high shine liquid lipstick that offers full coverage, color, and lacquer-like finish in one swipe. It's not gonna do that in one swipe. At least not for me, it didn't. And it does that thing a little bit. So this wouldn't be my favorite. I just don't like it. It's kind of gloppy, it's patchy, it doesn't go on well. I don't like these lip lacquers. These are, no. Okay, so, all right, the next two, moisturizing cream to matte liquid lip color that is primer infused for long-lasting full coverage. Okay, so we have Boss and Swag. Let's do Swag first. So this is it here. Okay, this is a matte. I like these a lot. This is really, really pretty. Goes on really nice. I'm trying to see, it's supposed to be a moisturizing cream to matte, so it was. Let me zoom you in for the color. This one is Swag. This is a beautiful color. Went on beautiful. I don't have any lip liner on. Yeah, that's very, very nice. This one is Boss. Let's try that. Oh, these are nice. Okay, these are really beautiful. I mean, they go on so smooth and so nice. Let me show you. Just creamy, not drying. I'm gonna wear this one. So nice, right? These are pretty. Okay, I love the lip glosses and I liked the matte liquid lip. I am not a fan of the lip lacquer. I thought this was adorable. You could hang it on the tree. You could put it in the stocking. It is filled with glitter, so if you don't want glitter all over your house, this may not be it, but it's kind of fun. There's glitter at the top and you push it open. This one has the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I think that they've gotten their formula, you know, consistent, because sometimes it was good, sometimes it wasn't. So I thought this was really cute, and this is gonna go in one of my daughter's stockings. I thought that was adorable. And they have different ones. They have ones with lipstick and stuff like that. So these are really cute. Gift from IT Cosmetics is the IT Bye Pores Super Set. So you have powder, blush, and bronzer, and it comes with a brush. I have tried both the pressed powder and the blushes. Here's one here. This is in Sweet Cheeks. This is a beautiful blush. Let me show you. I love their blushes. I love their pressed powder. It's beautiful. I have not tried their bronzer, so I'm kind of excited to try that. So see, I have a couple of their blushes. This is what I've already hit pan on their pressed powder, so I'm actually afraid to tilt it. It's kind of messy. It's beautiful. I use them all the time. So I think this is a great kit, and would just make a beautiful gift. Not least is products from Lush. Now I have a little bit of an issue here. Okay, so I ordered cute little Christmas gift from Lush, which I like because it's all packaged and ready to go. I don't even remember what was in here. I'll list it in the description box. And then I ordered some bath beads, and I'm very disappointed in the fact that they are almost all broken. One was a polar bear. I don't know. So I'm hesitant. I would say if you're gonna do something like this where hopefully they've boxed it individually and it's gonna show, you know, be nice, that's great. I love when I go to Lush and buy the products. I just don't know how I feel about them shipping it individually. Well, yes I do, because they shipped it crappy. So it's kind of where we're at. All right guys, so that's it for my kind of favorite beauty gifts, and then there might have been a couple misses. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very soon.